Hey guys, Paul here. I'm going to do a quick video on the new Vimeo chapters, how you can add chapter titles or chapter locations inside your Vimeo video. It's really easy to do, but there's a few things you need first. Firstly, you need a pro plan or higher. So you have to be paying for Vimeo basically. If you're on the free version, you're not going to get this. It also only works on embedded videos. So if you're taking your video and putting them on another website, on your own website, in your own training, they will work. But it won't work on Vimeo. I don't know why. So it just says here, to all above members, chapter markers are now available to all pro and above members and can be used wherever your videos are embedded, right? Will not just work on Vimeo itself, which seems crazy to me. But anyway, here we go. We're going to go into our Vimeo account and we're going to pick a video. I can pick this one here. It's 26 minutes long. And I'm going to go across, once you got to settings, go here to the interaction tool, and we're looking at chapters, right? So you might put at the start, introduction, and then save it. You might want to save it straight away because this might come up. These changes will remove the training embed preset. Change the preset won't apply to this video. So you click OK, and you get I get invalid URL. If you get that, then you need to go here and clear the preset and maybe change it. Is there a URL in there? I don't know what the URL it is talking about. So I've put it as no preset for now. Interaction tool, and we're going to go chapters again, which is already there. Add, introduction. So I would recommend saving it first. Save it, right? And if it saves okay, you're all ready to go. So I've got this little dot now that says 1 introduction. And I've got these little 3 boards that's showing the chapters. So if I go forward on my video to wherever the lesson 1 starts, let's just say it's at 3:30. It probably isn't.
Geologist.
Right, so I can move the video and then click add and it will timestamp it. If it's not quite on the right time, you can just change this. So if it's at 3:10 and I put lesson 1, then I'm going to go through, watch my video, say at 7:37, 7:37, lesson 2. You've obviously got 50 characters to make it a little bit more descriptive than lesson 1, 2, and 3. So now we've got 2 or 3 dots. We're going to go forward to 13.
TU, inverter aircon, 750 quid.
Right, add. Oh, 13:28, lesson 3. And then we might go right to the end and say 22:15. We could type that in, 22:15. Oh, 22:15. Do the semicolon. Conclusion, yeah. So now we're going to save it, all saved, and here's the video. Oh, with the chapters, and here's the chapter list built, so we can jump to the chapters. We can jump here. So that's going to work, right? So it's now working. Now, if you go to the Vimeo video, it won't show. I don't know why Vimeo don't use it on their own platform. I don't know what reason it is. Even if you're paid, it only works on a paid version. It'd still be cool if it worked. So it's not ideal unless you're embedding this on your website. So we're going to go back to the settings and we're going to just show you the embed code. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to go to my forum, pnuk.com, for any more training, any more Vimeo training. Oh, pnuk.com, I've actually got a Vimeo course. And it's all free if you want to sign up for it. But I'm going to go to my forum and I am going to create a new post and I'm going to embed that code. I've got to chapter test. I've got to allow the privacy settings on that video to work on my website. Chapter test. Vimeo, right? So, Vimeo. So now it's on my site, but I need to go here and the privacy on my settings. privacy setting. Where do they live usually? General, privacy, specific domains. So I haven't got the PNUK, pnuk.com. I can add that, and I'm not sure if it'll take straight away. Come on. Oh, is it forum? Do I need to add forum as well? Forum.pnuk.com. Oh, did I save it? Save and refresh. There we go. So now you see the dots. You see the chapters that you can jump to, and the chapter list is showing. So it's useful to remember that you have to have a paid version of Vimeo, and it only works when it's embedded on another website away from Vimeo. That's a weird thing. Hopefully they'll probably release it on Vimeo eventually as well. But hopefully that helps. Any questions, write in the comments. Tell me what you need. Anything more, you want to come to the Vimeo free training course on my website. It is pnuk.co/Vimeo training. I think if you go to pnuk.co/Vimeo, I think so. It might not be actually training. There you go. It's a free course. Everything that you need to know. There's a Q&A, and you can see my forum. It's specifically for selling videos on demand on Vimeo. But hopefully that helped. Leave a comment. Come and ask your questions. I will help the best I can. Cheers.